To install DecalMaster, first extract the contents of the plugin zip file. Copy the DecalMaster folder into your Maya app directory. Copy the decalmaster.mll file for your version of Maya into the plugins folder, in this case it's Maya 23. If the plugins folder doesn't exist, create it. Finally, enable the plugin through the Maya Plugin Manager panel. By default, the hotkey to bring up the radial menu is Shift plus Spacebar. If that hotkey clashes with your existing mappings, you can alter it here. Press on the hotkey mapping button, then press the key and optionally a modifier key you'd like to map the radial menu to. From the libraries settings, you can change the directory that DecalMaster looks for asset libraries. You can also refresh the libraries list if any changes to libraries have been made. The libraries list allows you to toggle the display of an asset library in the radial menu. To install a new asset library is as simple as opening the DecalMaster libraries directory and placing the asset library folder into its respective asset type. If the library is in a zip, extract the folder. You can also delete the folder if you want to remove an asset library. Installing and removing assets in libraries can also be done here. After making changes to any asset libraries from the Folder Explorer, be sure to refresh the libraries list from the Preferences panel.